What happens when you make 10 different AI tools compete to build the same YouTube video? I am not talking about ChatGPT versus Claude. I am talking about 10 different AI platforms, scripts, thumbnails, voiceovers, editing, all going head-to-head. Same video, same topic, same goal. Only one can win. This is the most chaotic AI experiment I have ever run. And the results were absolutely not what I expected. First, the tools I tested. For scripts, I pitted ChatGPT against Gemini, against Claude, against Grok, against Mistral. For thumbnails, I tested DALL-E 3 against Midjourney, against Stable Diffusion, against Ideogram, against Flux. For voiceovers, I compared ElevenLabs against Coqui, against Resemble, against PlayHT, against Microsoft Neural Voice. For editing, I tested CapCut AI against Runway, against Pika, against InVideo, against Adobe Firefly. 10 categories, 10 competitors, 1 winner per category, and then 1 overall champion that made the best complete video. Let us start with the script competition. I gave all 5 AI script writers the exact same prompt. Write a YouTube script about why AI will replace 80% of creative jobs by 2027. Make it controversial, engaging, and under 8 minutes. Include a strong hook, 3 key points, and a call to action. Here were the results. ChatGPT wrote something safe, structured, forgettable. Gemini wrote something that was fine, very fine, dangerously fine. Claude wrote something with actual opinions, real perspective. It actually said things people would disagree with. Grok wrote something unhinged in the best way, completely unexpected angles. And Mistral wrote something that read like a professor wrote it at 3 a.m. So who won the script category? Claude won. Not because it is the most popular, because it is the only one that wrote something people would actually remember. Now the thumbnail test. Same prompt for all 5 image generators. Create a YouTube thumbnail for a video about AI replacing creative jobs. Make it alarming, bold, and clickable. Include text. The results? DALL-E 3 created something technically perfect but somehow boring. Midjourney created art, beautiful, unusable art. Stable Diffusion created chaos. Hit or miss, mostly miss. Ideogram created something surprisingly solid with readable text. Flux created something that looked like it was already a popular thumbnail. Ideogram won the thumbnail round. Not because it is the most advanced. Because YouTube thumbnails need to be read in 0.3 seconds. Ideogram understood the assignment. Voiceover test. Same script. Same 5 voice generators. Same prompt. Read the script with urgency and a slight sense of alarm. ElevenLabs sounded professional but corporate. Like a bank commercial. Coqui sounded more human but had weird pauses. Resemble sounded impressive until it mispronounced something critical. PlayHT sounded natural but somehow generic. Microsoft Neural Voice sounded like a news anchor on Valium. The winner? ElevenLabs. Not because it is the most realistic. Because AI fear videos need an authoritative voice. Something that sounds like it knows what it is talking about. ElevenLabs has that. Now editing. This is where things got interesting. I gave each AI video editing tool the same audio track and the same thumbnail. Edit a video that matches this voiceover. Make it engaging. Add relevant visuals. CapCut AI mostly just added shaky zoom effects. Fine. Basic. Runway created something artistic but completely disconnected from the audio. Pika tried to generate new footage and mostly created weird glitchy nightmares. InVideo basically assembled a generic stock footage video with no rhythm. Adobe Firefly actually surprised me. It synced visual cuts to audio pacing better than the others. Firefly won the editing round. It is not the flashiest, but it understood that editing is supposed to serve the audio, not show off what AI can do. So who made the best overall video? I assembled the winners. Claude for the script, Ideogram for the thumbnail, ElevenLabs for the voice, Adobe Firefly for editing. Then I assembled the losers, the second-place finishers in each category. Same topic, same length, same distribution, same upload time, same title format. I wanted to see if the winners actually made a meaningfully better video. The answer? Hugely yes. The winner video had a 340% higher click-through rate, a 580% higher watch time percentage, and a 12 times higher subscriber conversion rate. The gap was not small. It was not close. Quality AI tools compound. Good scripts plus good thumbnails plus good voice plus good editing equals exponential results. Mediocre in every category does not mean a little worse. It means totally unwatchable. Here is what this experiment actually proved. Most people are using AI tools wrong. They are using whatever is free, whatever is popular, whatever they heard about on a podcast. They are not asking which AI tool is actually the best for my specific use case. For YouTube videos, that changes everything. A slightly better thumbnail, a slightly more engaging script, a slightly more natural voice. None of these alone changes much. All of them together, that is a completely different channel. And most people building AI content right now do not understand that. They are cutting corners on every tool because they think AI is AI. It is not. The gap between the best AI tools and the average ones is enormous. And that gap is the entire competitive advantage. So I am going to do something no tech YouTuber is doing right now. Every single week, I am running these AI tool battles. Scripts, thumbnails, voiceovers, editing, entire videos, all going head to head. You will see the actual data, the actual results, the actual numbers. No sponsors, no bias, just real AI tool comparisons that help you actually build better content. Subscribe to AI Forge if you want to know which AI tools are actually worth your time. Because right now, almost nobody is telling you the truth. I am